Hey you guys, today we're making red velvet cookies. Here is everything that you'll need. So 2 sticks of unsalted cold butter. You're gonna need baking soda, cornstarch, salt, sugar, vanilla. You're also gonna need red food coloring, 2 eggs, cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of sifted cake flour, and then your white chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate chips. I will have all of the measurements in the description box. All right, so we are going to add our sugar and butter, and we are going to beat that on low for about 2 minutes. And I have my oven preheated to 350. I'm so glad you guys are here. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you comment below. As always, it helps me get my videos pushed out to more people. So I am mixing this, and you want to mix it until it starts to look like the consistency of mashed potatoes. Next, we're going to add in our 2 eggs, one at a time. I'm adding in a teaspoon of vanilla and then 2 teaspoons of liquid red food color. And then I am adding in my cocoa powder, and then I'm going to mix everything until it's completely combined. And here's where I'll start to add in my dry ingredients. So my salt, my baking soda, my cornstarch, and then I'll mix that, and then we'll add in our flour. I'll put half of it in, mix it, and then add the other half. And then I'll take a spatula and just mix scrape down the sides of the bowl so that there's no flour that's not incorporated into the cookie dough. And then lastly, I'm going to fold in both the white and chocolate chips with the spatula. I'll let this refrigerate uncovered for about 30 minutes. And then I rolled the cookie dough into tablespoon sizes. I baked them in the oven for about 9 minutes, and then I took them out and let them continue to cook on the cookie sheet for about 30 minutes, so you'll have that kind of gooey center. Right, and these cookies were delicious. Get you a cold glass of milk and you have got something so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.